Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your GMC Yukon into neutral using the emergency override. First, prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is firmly engaged. This prevents any unintended movement once the transmission is disengaged. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool to access the override mechanism. Next, locate the Shift Lock Override access panel. This is typically a small, rectangular, or square cover found near the base of your gear shifter on the center console. Using your flathead screwdriver or trim tool, carefully and gently pry open this panel. Take your time to avoid damaging the surrounding plastic trim, as it can be delicate. Once the access panel is removed, you will see a small button or slot inside. Insert your screwdriver, key, or a similar small tool into this opening. Press down firmly and hold the button or lever. While keeping it depressed, simultaneously move your gear selector from park into the neutral position. It might require a bit of force, but it should move smoothly. After shifting, gently try to push your Yukon to confirm it rolls freely, indicating it is truly in neutral. Remember to re-engage the parking brake immediately to secure the vehicle and prevent any accidental rolling. This emergency method is crucial for towing or moving your vehicle when the battery is dead. For more helpful tips and resources, including a great book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.